Mentors staying on the cutting edge. What is effective teaching and learning? The classroom as a business. Teaching is a service, hence learning should be fun and meaningful. Teaching and learning can be more effective when teachers or facilitators take pride in what they do in order to get the job done. Finding tasks that engage all students holistically is a very powerful teaching method. This is possible when teachers go the extra mile for their students. An effective teacher should be able to cater to the needs of their students physically, emotionally, educationally, and socially. Hence, the classroom is like a business. There are several major tasks that one would consider to endorse the fact that the classroom is like a business. Some of these tasks are as follows. Planning. The procedure for lesson planning and business planning are practically the same. Both entails the purpose of creating an objective that outline what you want to achieve with a specific frame mind. Budgeting. Budgeting is significant for the classroom as well as for business owners. To carry out this task effectively requires resources, hence budgeting is very important. In the classroom, teachers have devoted their time and business owners that do the same. Data. In education, data is the key as it helps you to track students' performances as it relates to standardized testing. Teachers are now making every effort to analyze data. Just like teachers, business organization will determine which data they should focus on. Business owners tend to pay keen attention to income and expenditure, hence they would spend their time understanding and analyzing data. Relationship. It is important to create a bond with students. Students often seek support and guidance with whom they have a good relationship with. Hence, success comes with good relationship. Success in business is also dependent on building good relationship with colleagues. Great relationships are formed when teachers, students, and community members. When teachers are passionate about what they do, they constantly reflect on their daily performances. Hence, they review their lesson plans and make adjustments in an effort to improve skills and yourself. In the business world, business owners are always thinking of various ways of how to become effective, which will give a positive result in conveying a reflection. The mindset of whatever it takes will serve well in both education and in the business world. A safe and conducive environment should be also created for educators as well as business owners in order to achieve specific and common goals. I wish to highlight two acts that are applicable to me. First, the Education Act. This act provides guidelines on roles and responsibilities regarding legal rights for teachers, students, and other governing stakeholders. When we know our rights, it governs us to do the things that are right and positive. Number 2, the Child Care Protection Act. This act allows us to understand that all students should be treated fairly. They should not be neglected and shouldn't be given the chance to achieve their goals as every child can learn. It is important that we help to strengthen, motivate, and protect our children once they are in our care. The 2030 Vision. What is your role in the achievement of the 2030 Vision? To have a vision is to have the ability to think about positive goals and create ways of reaching them. My roles towards the 2030 Vision is to promote a culture of learning among the country and to ensure that adequate and high quality education is provided at the national level. One of my significant roles is to continue to support and participate in all training for professional and personal development. I embrace the task in taking education to a higher level. Within the next 10 years, I will become a master teacher. Hence, it's important that I implement a plan in order to develop programs and projects for teachers that will help to enhance learning. As a society, we will need to develop a set of core values that will help us as teachers to achieve our role. As a teacher with over 15 years of experience, I stand tall and committed to the task to impact and mold young minds in order to help others to maximize their full potential, especially for lifelong learners who are productive and successful and can effectively contribute to society. There are some agencies that will help to interact with the classroom teacher. As a classroom teacher and mentor, I would interact with the Jamaica Teaching Council and the National Parenting Support Commission. This is because these agencies definitely create a positive impact on education. The Jamaica Teaching Council is responsible for regulating the teaching profession by building and maintaining competencies of teachers and providing guidelines for growth and development. The National Parent Support Commission, on the other hand, had coordinates activities that demonstrates the government's commitment. One of its major roles is to achieve positive educational outcomes, which is also linked to the Jamaican Teaching Council. Hence, as a mentor and teacher, it's best to interact and develop a relationship with these agencies. Thank you.